Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by turning on your phone's mobile hotspot and confirming the network name and password. This is essential so the TV can find it. Make sure your data plan permits tethering and has enough allowance because streaming uses megabytes quickly. Once done, put your phone near the TV to avoid dropouts and open the TV's network settings now. You'll see available Wi-Fi networks. Select the SSID you created and prepare to enter the password when prompted. Once the TV connects to your hotspot SSID, enter the password carefully so the connection succeeds. Typos are the most common blocker. Make sure you choose the right frequency band. 5 GHz gives faster throughput for HD video, while 4 GHz helps across longer distances. Also, turn off any VPN on the phone and close background apps to maximize bandwidth. After the TV confirms connection, test by pinging or loading a small web page. This confirms latency and basic internet access. Now open the YouTube app on the TV and sign in if needed. You can cast from your phone as an alternative. Pick a moderate quality setting, like 720p, to balance clarity versus data consumption, and play a short video to verify playback. If buffering occurs, make sure the phone isn't busy with downloads and restart the hotspot once. This clears temporary network glitches. Key troubleshooting tip: if streaming still fails, lower quality further and check your
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.